Preemptive rights, that's the investor's right to preemptively invest in any future financing rounds before third parties can. That is usually used to allow the investor to maintain their current ownership percentage or even increase their ownership percentage. So it allows them to take part in future financing rounds preemptively before other third parties. Redemption rights, the ability to redeem their ownership interest for cash or sell it back to the company. So that's, again, the ability to redeem their investment in the company. Registration rights, the ability to force the company into initial public offering to create a liquid market for the shares that of the company so that the investor could thereby then sell their interest openly and publicly on the market. Information rights, you can secure special information rights or access to information that otherwise would not generally be disclosed or readily available to interest holders. Voting rights, you can secure special voting rights and rights to approve specific company actions or activities or vote for specific board seats. You could get a preference in the dividends that are going to be distributed, so you get paid a dividend before others. You can even make the dividend cumulative, so if they pay a dividend or declare a dividend and don't pay it, if they pay a dividend in the future, you get the old declared dividend and the newly declared and issued dividend before anyone else gets paid anything. So it's very similar to a liquidation preference. And you could even create specific seats on the board for yourself or for your class of shares. So your class of shares always votes for that board seat. And you could get observer rights on the board. So you're not a true board member, but you have an advisory or observer status on the board. So these are some of the most common individual term sheet provisions that you'll see in a term sheet.